Looking to show off your accomplishments to employers but don't know where to start? Portfolium is a digital profile where you can display job experience, education, and projects. Keep your resumes, projects, and networks all in one spot to maximize your future job opportunities. First, go to the Career Center website and click on Portfolium. Then click Join in the top right corner. Enter your BYU-Idaho email address. Then click Continue, then on the BYU-I button. Portfolium will take you to the BYU-Idaho login page where you can enter your username and password. Click Start Now and begin to fill out a list of skills you possess or select from the suggested skills. Enter the names of friends, teammates, and classmates from your university. Upload your resume or select Next to add a resume later. Your account is now created, and it's time to build your profile. Here you can add your profile and background pictures by hovering over the background picture and clicking on the Edit icon. Then click on the Change Picture or Change Background Photo buttons. Portfolium automatically populates a tagline for you, but you can edit it to say something else. Your education information also automatically updates. Enter your current position if you have one and then save. Next, go to the Portfolio tab. In this section, you can add project work you completed for a class, competition, or work experience. Include items that showcase your abilities and skills that are important to a potential employer or graduate program. Provide a description of the project and then add skills you use to complete it. Each time you add a skill to a project, it will show up in your skills section. If you use the same skill in multiple projects, the skills section will display a total of how many times you have applied that skill in your different projects. If there are other individuals involved in the project, be sure to add them. You can also add tags for each project. Selecting the Publish button saves your changes. Now choose the sections you want to add to your profile, like volunteer work, courses, etc. Once you have chosen the sections you want to highlight about yourself, scroll down and start filling them in. You can connect your projects to those sections by uploading a new project or attaching a project you have already entered. Write something about you in the introduction section that would be helpful for a potential employer to know. You can also turn your profile into a PDF that is easy to print and hand out at career fairs or another event. Once you complete your Portfolium profile, you can showcase your work by sharing your link with recruiters on other social media sites like LinkedIn. Keep in mind that in the future when you log into Portfolium, you will need to select My BYU-I login from the sign-in page in order to access your account. Don't worry about losing your Portfolium privileges once you graduate. It lasts for life. So let your work speak for itself because you're more than a GPA. Good luck with your preparation.